Yo. What is up, guys? America's Gamer here with another reaction. yeah. And we're here with Stormzy, Hide and Seek. Stormzy, Hide and Seek. You know, so when Stormzy drop bomb, there's bombs after bombs like Iraq War and Ukraine and Russia and beatings. You know what? So, the G drop a next song, Hide and Seek. I could jump in the one and see what the G I say. Let's go!
You can miss me.
I'm gonna miss you.
Put that up.
A little bit. Man.
Lover boy! Hey boy! Stormzy, no, the killy, they know they pan that now, man. Where you go? Stormzy, none of that, man. Left that part, they were tight, man. Man. No, Stormzy. Yeah, fuck you, nigga.
Oh, girl, you're shining. You know you're my diamond. You need reminding. This moment of timing when your soul needs aligning. It's me you confiding, seeking and hiding. You know where to find me, babe.
This girl looks very familiar. When we see her now before, what's she coming up before? Leave in the comment section. Where is she from? She looks very familiar.
What's it gonna be? What we gonna do? Here we go again. This ain't nothing new. I ain't tryna run game, but it's true, cause you came and you made me feel. You call me for help, you gotta chill. Need time for yourself, you gotta heal. This ain't something you felt, it's how you feel. You came and you made me feel. We built this all wrong, I'll take blame. But instead of us tearing it down, we'll rearrange, baby.
Stormzy show the versatility. Stormzy show a different side of him. You see me? For the ladies, them. The ladies, man. Yeah.
Take blame, but instead of us tearing it down, we'll rearrange, baby. Don't let it fall, girl. Don't let it fall.
Don't wanna fight no more. Keep me where I belong. I've tried, but I just can't hide from your love.
You do the same fucker again, brother, man. Me tell you something, loaded from the first part of the video. You got in the video, go do this again, Stormzy. Eh? You hungry? Eh? You just want to eat some, brother? Like, love it, bro.
I've tried and I've
Love it out of the video, dog. Keep it there.
I just can't
Come
hide
here.
from
Watch it, man.
Oh, girl,
Come on, Stormzy, bro. What's wrong with you,
know
dog?
you're my diamond. You need reminding. This moment of timing when your soul needs aligning. It's me you confiding, seeking and hiding. You know where to find me, babe.
Boss, I snore. I like this, though. It's a jam. This is a jam, man. Big advertisement to Pepsi. Yeah?
What we looking for? Let me search now. Take your shoes off. Put your purse down. How you gonna tell me that it's never gonna work now? Type of shit to make me put a verse down. Worse now, cause we made our bed and got a lay in it. Thought it wasn't hard for me, but every day it is. Heartbreak, such a dark place, but we stay in it. What I'm saying is exactly what I say it is. I found you.
Is this an actual girl? Or is she just a video vixen? Who is this girl? Like, I tell you that she look very familiar. Who is she?
I feel your presence when I'm not around you. Queen in your city, they need to crown you. Holy water, baby, let me drown you. Fire and water, I gotta allow you. Burn out, then reappear. Light still guiding you home, you know I'm there. And rest assured, if you ever needed help or just need a place to hide, no, I'll keep it to myself. Word. Oh, girl, you're shining. You know you're my diamond. You need reminding. This moment of timing when your soul needs aligning. It's me you confiding, seeking and hiding. You know where to find me, babe. Nowhere to find me.
this bad. This bad. Is the person singing Stormzy though? Like the person we are sing that I understand you sing. God, that doesn't sound like Stormzy to me. If it is Stormzy, bro, big up yourself. Video bad. The girl, let me say the girl look very, very familiar. Stormzy doesn't disappoint, bro. Like, yeah, Stormzy is just Stormzy, bro. And right now, Stormzy, I think Stormzy is back like he's back, isn't me? We all know say the album are gonna be fire already. I am anticipating that one day. I think that one, yeah, it have a nice jam to it, or we can knock it and repeat, you know? Yeah, big up yourself, Stormzy, dog. But the little finger something the way you lick to your finger, allow that, brother. Allow it out of the video, dog. Keep it in your six. Keep it in your bedroom, G. You see me? You hear dog. But that song is bad still, bro. That song is bad. The girl look nice. You don't know. Nice cut. Nothing too extravagant to go on that video. You just have focus. Yeah, bad. Big up yourself. Thumbs up from me, Storm. Big up yourself, G. But here we go now. This is how I'm going to leave the one. If you enjoy that one, I want to say more from G. Leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you're new. And I'll definitely. See you in the next one. Yeah? Yeah.